हम सबका फेवरेट ज़िंदगी गुलजार है।
कितनी बात करनी है उस पे?
बहुत बात करनी है। Do you sometimes feel that कशफ का जो कैरेक्टर है वो ओवर पावर कर लेता है आपके बाकी तमाम कैरेक्टर्स को, थोड़ा सा काइंड ऑफ अ कर्स बन जाता है, कभी ये ख्याल आता है आपको?
पहले, अब तो अगेन 11 साल हो गए उस ड्रामे को। इनिशियली फर्स्ट 3 years में I've said this before कि मुझे लगा कि अब मैं कशफ हूँ और मुझे होना है, क्योंकि लोगों का इतना बड़ा वो रिएक्शन आ गया है एंड they've put कशफ up here। अगर मैं कोई भी रॉन्ग मूव करूँ career wise, personally and people find out about it, know it, see it, dressing this that, then मैं तो अब उनका पूरा इमेज ही शैटर कर दूँगी। वो जो एक रोल मॉडल बन गई थी, शी इज़ गोइंग टू बी नथिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ कैरेक्टर एंड पीपल वोंट बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विद हर और लर्न फ्रॉम हर, बी इंस्पायर्ड बाय हर, सो आई मस्ट बिकम कशफ। It took me 3 years to get out of that. 3 years it took me. I was not that. I did Kadurat in the middle then to break that, to be like, I'm not just Kashaf or the hero, the female hero of like these female-led novels. I'm an actor, so I can be hated. You can hate me also. You can hate me as Ruhi. You can hate me as the girl in Kadurat. मुझे time लगा उसमें से निकलने के लिए, and but I also didn't want to do. I was offered a lot of roles that were a lot like Kashaf. I was like, अब एक दफ़ा वो हो गई है, एक दफ़ा वो शाजिया हो गई थी मेरा नसीब में, which is very similar to Kashaf, but there was such a huge cast, and I had Saira also with me. That this was an offshoot of, I think for me this was, Kashaf was like a solo story of Shazia, because it was that khuddar ladki who stands up against things that are restricting her. She's a voice for the voiceless.
उसकी शादी हो जाती है ना मेरा नसीब में।
मेरा नसीब, Imran Abbas was my first hero.
Yeah. So then she comes back.
You know, there were great lessons कि जब तक वो आके माफी नहीं मांगता,
sisters, right?
half sisters.
Half sisters, yeah.
जब तक वो अपने मैके वापस आ जाती है और अपनी फुप्पी, अम्मी और खाला के साथ रहती है, all these women who have these notions कि you know बीवी होती है ऐसे और अपने शादी करके ये होता है, वो कहती नहीं, like how does this make sense? जब तक वो आके सही से माफ़ी नहीं मांगेंगे, इज्जत से मुझे वापस नहीं लेंगे, I'm not moving. He kicked me out of the house. Now he has to come and properly take me. Don't send me back in. नहीं वो गुस्से में था. So that was really powerful. That was Samira Fazal. I hope I got it right. Samira Fazal, Mera Naseeb. Adnan Ahmed was the director.
Okay.
He was from Canada. That was really good. Adil Hussain was also in that.
Yes, but he was with Saira, if I'm
He
not
was with
wrong,
Saira
yeah?
in that.
अब आपने बोला तो मुझे याद आया कि मेरा नसीब
हाँ, he was in that also. That was, for me, that was Bushra Ansari, Sakina Sammo, Rubina Ashraf.
मुझे और कोई याद नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ आप
एक
दोनों
और
याद
थी,
हैं।
but these were the people, and I was working with them, and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing.
So you felt कि कशिफ जो है वो उस कैरेक्टर
Shazia की offshoot, because Shazia was also like Kashaf. She was just a khuddar ladki who would take matters into her own hand, but was very family oriented, loved her sister and her mother and her khalas and her puppies, but stood up for what was wrong. If something was not right, she would not take it. She would fight it and stand up for herself and anyone else who was being debaued.
बट आपने कभी सोचा था कि इतने सालों के बाद भी आज भी कशिफ इतनी ही रेलेवेंट रहेगी जितनी तब थी? इनफैक्ट अगर आप देखें तो आजकल तो उसके सीन के POVs वो हो रहे
because
होते
of
हैं।
shorts and Instagram, you people. Well, I wear Kashif like a badge of honor now, because she is R. Jane Austen's heroine. You know, she is that character from a classic novel.
Yes.
Kashif became that, and so we don't have to have Joan of Arc and you know the Jane Eyre role models anymore. We've got our own
Role models,
so I'm you know I'm very very privileged, lucky, so grateful कि मुझे वो मौका मिला ऐसा.
And across the border also.
And across the border also for girls in the
girls,
subcontinent.
yes, yeah.
Kashaf became a hero and
And then I think सम पॉइंट इन टाइम या किसी ज़माने में लड़कियां बहुत बिटर होती थीं, बट उनको वो उस बिटरनेस को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती थी, शायद उनकी जो चैलेंजेस थे जो वो फेस करती हैं. And I think Kashif kind of gave them that voice.
That's why every single girl says ये मेरी कहानी थी.
Yeah.
ये
कहीं
मेरी
ना
कहानी
कहीं
थी.
किसी
हर लड़की कहती है आप ये तो मेरी, you have no idea ये मेरी कहानी है. And I'm like I believe you because everyone says ये मेरी कहानी है.
और मुझे एक और चीज़ उसकी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है, द खुददारी, जब उसका शादी के बाद भी जो उसका थोड़ा सा आर्ग्यूमेंट या वो होता है, दैट हर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, हर थिंग टू डू हर ओन थिंग, जब वो अपनी माँ के लिए लोन या उसकी बात करती है, वो एक उस ज़माने में फॉर गर्ल्स वाज अ बिग थिंग. अब तो हम कहते हैं ना इट्स अ मस्ट फॉर अ गर्ल, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट हैज़ टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी. अब तो गिवन है, अब नहीं हो तो लाइक ओह हाउ कम. लेकिन उस ज़माने में तो हम इस प्रोसेस से गुजर रहे थे शायद, तो इसलिए भी इट स्टूड आउट. या देन देयर इज़ हमने शक कर लिया, हमने
मेरा नसीब
कर लिया, दियारे दिल कर लिया.
दाम was my first drama.
दाम, yes, I was just thinking दाम, yes.
दाम was
उसकी तो एक स्पेशल जगह होगी ना आपके दिल में.
दाम, I don't know what happened, how it happened. दाम just happened. और मेरा इतना बड़ा रोल भी नहीं था. That was Amna and Sanam, and those were excellent characters.
But you were noticed in that.
I was noticed, and I was such an awful cousin. Not so awful, but like I wasn't, you know, I was just a sweet जो चुबा रही थी characters को बिला वजह की. But Fiza, her name was Fiza, and I guess Fiza was a catalyst for many things to happen, and was the reason why, you know, Amna's character hated Sanam's character even more, because I was the voice telling her कि ये क्या है. But Dam was my first drama serial. It was the first time I was working with Mehreen Jabbar.
So your first drama with Mehreen Jabbar, how was the experience?
It was great. Mehreen, through her cousin, who's a good friend of mine, we have met socially. We had met socially and were becoming friends. And she said, there's this character, but I need to work with you. So I said, yeah, please. So I know Sarvat had worked a lot with Mehreen. So I remember one day at my house, they came over, and although Sarvat's not in Dam, but Mehreen, because we were hanging out, Mehreen made Sarvat read a scene with me and kind of, you know, and because I'd come straight from theatre, so she was like, sab chota hoga.
Sab chota.
Ye haath, ye aankh, ye muh, ye everything, it's a close-up medium. So rein it all in and then do it. And then my talaffuz and Urdu, and I had to speak in Urdu for the first time, the lambe dialogues. इसलिए जब मेरा नसीब आया, I was like, I don't know if I'm... हाँ, Fiza was a small one. मेरा नसीब was Saira and I were the driving forces of that one. Again, when Momina used to approach me, I'm like, I'm not a Pakistani drama actor. मैं तो बहुत ही बर्गर हूँ, मुझे नहीं आता ये करना.
क्या पता था कि आप इतने hits देंगी?
क्या पता था?
है ना, माशाल्लाह.
It's fear also, but because I have a command over the language in terms of talaffuz and diction, vocabulary is not good, but I'm working on it. And because I can memorize scripts because of my theatre background. So I was memorizing scripts, therefore I was getting to practice beforehand. And because I was so embarrassed के इतने बड़े actors के सामने, और you know, TV world is very different from theatre, so I cannot be sitting there wasting anyone's time. I must come prepared. तो वो आदत carried through, and I think because of that, and I was never embarrassed of anyone correcting my Urdu. कोई you know मजाक भी उड़ाते थे, तंग भी करते थे, ठीक भी करते थे, but that's how I learned. My मुज़क्कर मोनस is, they're like, कहाँ आ गई, पठान का बच्चा आ गया अभी तक.
But that's very good of you.
So that's how you learn.
Because लोग conscious होते हैं कि English सही नहीं बोले, या ये उर्दू में भी ये चीज़ सही नहीं बोली. दोनों तरफ से ही मसला होता है. English सही नहीं बोलो तब भी मसला है, उर्दू सही नहीं बोलो तब भी आप पकड़े जाते हैं.
हाँ, conscious नहीं होना चाहिए. But I'm इसलिए conscious होते because people are unforgiving and people need to be kinder.
Yeah. Did you have any experience like that when people were not forgiving with you?
You know, if they weren't forgiving, I didn't notice it.
Okay.
You've got to be like that also. I didn't notice it. I didn't even know what the word koji. What's that? Is that a bad word? What does that mean?
I don't know actually.
You don't know either.
Yeah, but I've heard it, but I don't know.
I don't know what it means, so it didn't make a difference to me.
So you heard that?
I read that sometimes, or.
किस वक्त हुआ था ये?
I guess when I was an active Pakistani drama actress. You know, you.
तो आपको koji बोलते थे?
Koji I've read for other actors too, and I was like, I don't know what it means, so it doesn't affect me.
Yeah.
Comments on complexion, skin color, I'm like, am I famous or are you? Like, clearly I'm doing something right, and you hiding behind your keyboard are just sitting there bored, so it makes no difference to me. But it all सारा credit इस confidence का मेरे माँ बाप को जाता है.
Okay.
Right? आपके माँ बाप आपको पर देते हैं उड़ने के लिए. बहुत से माँ बाप होते हैं जो काटते रहते हैं बच्चों के पर, और फिर वो insecure, uncomfortable, shy, awkward बच्चे बन जाते हैं. grown-ups बन जाते हैं, under-confident grown-ups बन जाते हैं. So if I was made to feel sufficient, whole, beautiful, competent, perfect the way I was at home, then I will feel that way anywhere.